Well, the shortcomings already of the Bureau of Customs, si Presidente mismo nagsabi nung SONA. Pero nakakapagtaka rin kasi nag-resign naman si Commissioner, hindi naman tinanggap yung resignation. So, I suppose he still has the confidence of the President despite the fact na hindi nga nakapag-kolekta ng mabuti. At saka wala sa tatlo, hindi naabot ang target nila.
Hindi ba alarming yung 7 months?
Very alarming. Very alarming. That's why, kaya naman kuminsan yung mga figures na nakikita natin hindi tumutugma sa mga ibang report. So that's why we have to kailangan laging tignan ulit ang mga binibigay sa atin ng mga numero dahil kuminsan parang imposible, like the increase, let us say, of the collections, tapos sasabihin 7 months na palang hindi nakakapag-kolekta ng kanilang target. Paano tutugma yun? Kaya nakakapagtaka kung bakit yun ang mga pinagbabasihan natin.
Pero sir, regardless of the letter, ano bang plans mo sir for 2020?
Ay, naku, madami-dami ng plano.
For President.
Ayun naman. Those decisions are not... Ilang beses ko ba kailangan ko dito? Hindi yung mga ganyang klaseng usapan, malayo pa tayo sa 2016.
Pero may plano kayo, sir?
Gagawin.
Maraming
ang plano.
sa 2016.
Ganito, 2016 I'll be a candidate. What for? Tignan natin. But
It could be the presidency.
I'm not leaving politics. Ganun na lang. I'm not leaving politics in 2016. So I intend to be involved in the election in 2016 as a candidate for some position.
Reaction na po sa rationalization of oversight committees?
Dahil parang kitang-kita talaga kung saan pumupunta ang pondo, saan ginagamit. Ayaw naman namin na duda ang tao doon sa paggamit ng pondo ng bayan. Kaya mas mabuti para sa amin yung nakikita ng tao kung ano ba talagang pinagagamitan. Para wala nang question na may questionabling funding ginamit sa mali or whatever.
Pero masyadong maliit yung 50 million for the year na dapat matipid.
50 million for the year?
Yeah.
Na matitipid raw?
I think mas malaki.
Sabi ni Senator De Leon, 50 daw for the year.
Depende. It depends kasi kung which account you look at it. Pero kung titignan ko after yung oversight committees, magkakaroon ng savings ng 650 million for what the budget is from last year. Yun ang pinakamalaking savings dyan.
Sir, magkano ba yung budget ng yearly ng oversight?
Iba-iba
Lahat.
Ngayon,
idea kayo?
530, I'm sorry.
Kailangan pa ba ng oversight committees?
Yung iba, yun na nga napag-usapan namin. Yung iba talaga hindi na kailangan. Like the oversight committee that I held in the previous Congress, yung SPAV, Special Purpose Vehicles, tapos na yung scheme na yun So hindi na siguro kailangan mag-oversight committee. On the other hand, may ibang oversight committee by mandate of law. So hindi mo naman pwedeng cancelin unless baguhin mo yung batas. But kung wala nang function, di siguro hindi na pupuntahan. Ganun more or less. It's just trying to make sense the system of committee, the committee system and the use of the oversight committee.
Sir, masyado mong maliit ba yung 50 million na dapat matipid this year?
Matipid?
50 million, masyado mong maliit or...
Maraming oversight ang monitoring, dapat hindi na ito yun.
Hindi. Ang mangyayari is that yung pag-aaralan, babalikan yung mga oversight committees. First of all, those that are mandated by law, wala ka hindi magagalaw yun unless we will amend the law. Pero yung mga talagang tanggap ng lahat na hindi na kailangan, hindi na nagagamit, ay siguro pwede nang i-reorganize yun. Yung by resolution, yung came into existence by resolution. So, it's not, ang ano namin is para maging mas maliwanag yung trabaho. Hindi, I don't know if I'm sure the new Senate President will try to find as many savings as he can. But I think more importantly, na-rationalize nga yung ating committee system.
Anong stand niyo po sa proposal to abolish pork barrel?
That's up to the palace kung kanilang gusto gawin. I think more than that because the duties of a legislator, although tawag sa amin legislator, it's not only to attend legislative session, marami rin kaming ibang ginagawa. That's what all of the other budgets are for. Pero kung talagang problem, I think what needs to be done, gawin nga, that's the begin, itong ginagawa nga namin ngayon. Umpisa na yan para i-clarify na mabuti kung saan pupunta yung pera, saan dumadaan yung pera, saan ginagamit, para hindi na maging questionable. So we're trying to work with COA to make it more transparent and rationalized. Talagang mas maliwanag, but it makes more sense.